Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. In the last class, we have discussed about the audio section, that how you can use the audio section and what are the options. So now we are going to move to the title option. So in the title option, we will see that how you can add the text in your videos. As you can see, here are a lot of text. You guys can add the text as well. So what we are going to do, we are going to download some text effects. As you can see, in the download section, you will see your downloaded text effects. So for example, I'm going to use this one. You have to drag this because this is downloaded. So I'm going to click on this. As you can see here, the text option, if you want to edit the text, you have to double click on it. After double clicking on it, you can change whatever, you can write whatever you want. For example, I want the USA or UK. I'm going to write these names as well. If you want to edit this text, you have to click on this and you can change the names as well. For example, I'm going to write the California. You guys can also do that. And after that, if you want to change the color, you can also change the color as well from here. These are the basic text properties. You guys can also do that. You have to press on the OK. And if you want to drag this, you can also drag this anywhere, wherever you want. If you want to drag the text, you guys can also drag the text as well. In the recommended section, you will get the new text effects. If you want to download, you have to click on this and the text effect will be downloaded. There are a lot of text effects. If you want to search any specific text effect, for example, I want for the Instagram, so I'm going to write the Instagram. So as you can see, here are a lot of options related to Instagram. We have searched for Instagram and you can see the lower thirds as well. You have to download these guys. If you want to see the preview, as you can see the preview here, this is the preview and this is the preview and this is an other preview for the Instagram. So you guys can search and get a lot of text effect for your video, for your audio, for your social media platform, whatever you are working on. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the title effect or the title text in your video. So see you guys in the next video.